On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to make a frosted lemonade. This is similar to what you'll find at Chick-fil-A or restaurants like that, and it all starts with some vanilla ice cream. And then you add lemonade. This recipe is really very, very simple. Those two ingredients, you simply add them to your blender or your mixer. Or if you wanted, you can even mix them by hand. We are using a Ninja Creamy, and we are using approximately 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Once that's added, you add approximately half a cup of lemonade. We have a homemade lemonade recipe. That's what we're using here, but any lemonade that you prefer will work just fine. Add it to your blender and let your blender do all the work. For those days that are really, really hot and you just want something cool, but don't want the heaviness that can go along with a milk-based milkshake, and I realize that the ice cream has milk in it, but this treat is especially refreshing. You get the sweetness and the flavor and the refreshingness of the lemonade without some of the heaviness of having a fully dairy-based dessert. It's really a wonderful, wonderful, and refreshing item. And there you have it. So while we plate this and put it in our bowl, in our cup, let me invite you to subscribe so that you never miss a recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen. Hit the like button and the notify also. We appreciate it. And leave a comment. We appreciate those also. We hope that you've enjoyed this, and thank you for watching.